Well, hello there, old man Steve, and I'm in Steve's kitchen. Today we're going to make a peanut butter sandwich. Now you say, Steve, anybody can do that. Well, I don't know that everybody can make a peanut butter sandwich like I do. So you might want to watch just to see if you can get the basics. Of course, first you have to get the bread, and we're going to go get the bread. And here we have the bread. I'll put that right there. And then we get the peanut butter. Now then, this is where my my expertise comes in. I'm going to try to do some fancy editing and actually show you me making the peanut butter. I don't know if this is all going to work because I've never done it before. But hey, there's the first time for everything. So here we go. Now hopefully this is going to work. I've got my bread here. I got my beautiful plate here. And this is, take the bread out, put it on the plate. Close that bread up so it'll stay fresh. You want your bread to stay fresh. And get your big old jar of peanut butter. And we're gonna slap it on there. Like that. You put as much or as little as you want. And then, now some people cut it straight. Some people cut it at an angle. I'm going to cut it at an angle. And it doesn't make any difference how you cut it. It's going to taste the same. And after, one more thing that you want to do, if you have them, is you get you some chips, like that. Well, these are all kind of broken up. But anyway, you can put you some chips like that. And there you have it.